Well, the OPEC Secretary General Mohammed Barkindo says the COP26 summit is a wake-up call for the oil industry. Speaking to Dan on the sidelines of the ADIPEC forum in Abu Dhabi, Barkindo praised the progress made by the leaders so far.
Glasgow was definitely a wake-up call.
Was it a success, though?
I wouldn't call it a failure. I think the UK presidency did an extremely good job in bringing back Paris on track in Glasgow. It's not a mean achievement to rebuild the consensus of Paris in Glasgow. If you follow the fractures we saw after the withdrawal of the United States and now the return of the US, not only as part of the conversation but at the head of the table. I think John Kerry and his team, together with Sharma, the president of COP26, did a marvelous job in rebuilding that consensus that was fractured after Paris. Because without that consensus, it would have been impossible to get the Glasgow Climate Pact. So
what's going to happen next year? Because we have oil and gas companies on the ground here at ADIPEC. They're saying, OK, we need to invest in renewables to make sure that we progress the energy transition, but fossil fuels are still going to be the future.
There is no doubt, there is no contest on this scientific fact that oil and gas will continue to play prominent role in the global energy mix for the foreseeable future.
What do you think that means for prices, Your Excellency?
Prices is a function of several factors, including investments. In the last 10 years, we have lost quite a lot in investments in this industry, which is very capital intensive. We have not recovered from the 2014-2016 slump, where we saw for 2 consecutive years nearly 25% or so annual contraction, and then COVID came last year with about 30% contraction in the industry. And with all the challenges of accessing capital, the industry needs to wake up.